What's up guys, it's Cliff with Trail Grid Pro. Really excited to be back with you today. We're gonna be installing a pedal commander in this 2020 Toyota Tacoma. We're huge fans of the pedal commander. Why? Because it gives you total control of your throttle response. It's got 4 modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. No surprise, economy mode saves you miles per gallon. City mode gives you a nice full-time daily driver mode that gives you more throttle response than stock. And Sport Plus give you the feeling that you might be on a racetrack. This is a super easy install. You can do it in about 10 minutes. Let's get started. So we've got the pedal commander module right here and the plug and play wiring harness. It's really that simple. And we're gonna drop down here and get this installed. All right guys, so now that we're down here, we're gonna get started. This is really simple. What we're looking for is the plug right above the gas pedal or the throttle, which is right here. And we're gonna reach up here and there's a tab on the side of the plug that faces the center console. And you simply just remove it by pressing the tab and pulling up. The pedal commander module has 2 plugs. And you can see here that they are slightly different. And essentially what we're going to be doing is plugging in this plug right here into the throttle. And then this plug is what the factory plug is plugged into. So let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, so easiest to do is let's make the connection between the factory plug and the other end of the pedal commander. And then let's orient the pedal commander plug that plugs into the throttle. All right, and we are plugged in there and we look good. Now all we're going to do is we have the module here, which we're going to route right up here behind the steering column, and we're going to mount it where it's nice and clean. So let's get started with that. All right guys, so now that we've made the connections, we've got the module right here, which we're going to mount right over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to route it right underneath the steering column and kind of grab it with my other hand. And just like that, it's pulled through. We've already placed the Velcro tape here in the spot that we want to put it. And essentially, we've also put the other side on the back of the pedal commander module, and we'll simply put that in position. And then it's right there, super clean. Looks like it could have come like that, which is what we're all about. And we're going to tidy up this wire down here, and then we're basically done. All right, so we're going to put this in accessory power just so you can see how the pedal commander starts up. So let's do that. All right, so you can see it's starting up, and it is starting in sport mode, set on +3. And just to show you real quick how easy it is to adjust this button right here changes modes. So we've gone to Sport Plus. Now we're just back to factory. Now we're in City, Sport, Sport Plus. And if we want to go into Eco, we hold it. So now we're in Eco mode. Now, down here, you have different tolerances that you can range through in each mode. So for example, I can go into City, but I can go all the way up to +4 there, or I can go all the way down to -4. And you can see the color changes there, so you know you're in the negative, versus if I go up here, I'm in the positive green +4. And you can do that in each mode. So literally, you gain total control over your throttle response, which is pretty awesome, and just one of the reasons why we love Pedal Commander. All right, guys, well, that wraps this up. Super, super simple install, Pedal Commander for your Toyota Tacoma, so you can gain control over your throttle response, get rid of that throttle lag in literally 10 minutes. You can pick this up in the Trail Grid Pro shop, www.trailgridpro.com. And as always, guys, have a blast out there.